having a pelvic tilt. Now, what we mean by this is actually having your pelvis tilted in a direction. Some people just naturally will stand or walk a certain way. So this is an anterior tilt where I'm tilting my pelvis forward, and a posterior tilt is when I'm tilting my pelvis backwards. Oftentimes, if you notice you're walking like this in the anterior tilt, it's probably going to cause more pain and discomfort. So if you can try and get into a neutral position or even slightly posterior tilted pelvis position, this can help alleviate some of your pain when walking.
Right. Now, if you're walking, you want to make sure you stop before the pain gets too bad. Now, one thing I always did, it worked very well, when my back would start to hurt, I'd either sit down if there was a place to sit, or I'd simply crouch like this, and that would immediately relieve that back pain. It would feel good. I would hold there and stretch a little bit. I'm talking for 15 to 30 seconds, get up and start walking. Oftentimes, I could extend my walk in a pain-free manner. Do not push through the pain and think that no pain, no gain, it's going to go away, because it'll just be irritating it. So that's a nice little clue there for you. Walking.
Another tip for walking is if you are unable to go for long durations outside or distances like you used to, you may want to use a walker when you're outside. You can use a standard walker if you have one, or four-wheeled walker. Brad will show some of the benefits of a four-wheeler. But when you're able to use a walker, sometimes you can slightly flex your spine, which normally feels better, putting pressure through the walker. If you notice when you're shopping and leaning forward on a shopping cart relieves your back pain, a walker might be a good option when you're out and about. Now, when you're inside, if you don't want to use it, you just certainly don't have to, but if you want to increase your distance walking, this could be a good option.
So if you find walking outside is something you really want to do, and you do want to go longer distances, getting a four-wheeled walker will definitely be the way to go. They're very nice. They have, one of the big benefits is if you get tired, you simply lock the brakes, turn around, sit down, and it'll make your back feel better. There's a little backrest there, rest, and then back up again and continue walking. With larger wheels, you will be able to walk over uneven surfaces where there's cracks in the sidewalks, etc. It will really allow you to walk as far as you want and be comfortable when you need to sit.